Welcome back. We will quickly go through.
We're not afraid to die if we're all together. Oh.
Beautiful and courageous lesson. Courage and determination. Teamwork and unity. Presence of mind. Human resilience, man versus nature. Childhood courage. Place, the Indian Ocean. Starting point, Plymouth, England. Major location, Southern Indian Ocean. Time, 1976. Duration, 20+ days. Central setting, aboard Wavewalker. Tone, adventurous, tense, dramatic, suspenseful, optimistic, inspirational, triumphant. Genre, adventure narrative, Sea-Voyage narrative, autobiographical account. Survival story, non-fiction, inspirational narrative. Plot, it is the true account of Gordon Cook and his family's terrifying sea adventure. Their boat Wavewalker to repeat the round-the-world voyage. After reaching Cape Town, they continued towards Australia through the Indian Ocean. On the 2nd of January, a gigantic wave hit Wavewalker badly. The family faced the danger of sinking. The family and crew worked continuously to pump out water and keep the boat afloat. Gordon discovered that Isle Amsterdam was the nearest possible place. Changed the boat's course. With great relief, Wavewalker reached Isle Amsterdam. Suzanne shows courage despite her injuries. Their courage, teamwork and presence of mind saved them. Title, reflects the family's courage, shows fearlessness, highlights family unity, captures the central message of the story. Message, never give up hope. Presence of mind matters. Teamwork helps in adversity. Literary devices, imagery, personification, juxtaposition. Important objects, Wavewalker, electric pump, steering wheel, radio, charts, compass. Narrative technique, first-person narration, chronological narrative, autobiographical storytelling. Characters, Gordon Cook, Mary, Herb Seigler, Jonathan, Suzanne, Larry Vigil. Symbols, Wavewalker courage, endurance and survival, the storm, life's challenges and adversity.